video will show you how to access your student email account and download the Office 365 software products. Begin at nv.edu and look for Quick Links in the upper right-hand corner. Next, find Email. It's on the right side of the screen. Click on the email icon. To log in, you'll need your MyComNet ID and your password. Remember, your MyComNet ID is your ID number followed by @student.comnet.edu. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to Outlook, where you can view your student email account. Here's a screen that shows what that looks like. Your email messages appear here. Another helpful tip is that you can also download Microsoft Office 365 from the same screen. This includes Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and more. You can use the programs online or download them to your personal computer. On the Outlook screen, look for the square in the upper left corner. You'll see apps listed, such as Outlook for email, Microsoft Word, and OneDrive, where you can save your files. At the top, click on Office 365. Once the new window opens, you can use any of the apps online or go to Install Office in the upper right-hand corner to install the software on the device you're using for free.